Hello and welcome, guys. And in this video I want to be showing you something, a little life hack that I figured out myself a long time ago, and I've been using it ever since. Like, this completely changed my game, my immersion, my gameplay experience, more specifically for car games. I'm talking about Assetto, Forza, Need for Speed. If you guys want to know what I'm on about, you can make your game go from this to this. Now, Jim, how do I do this? If you're wondering, then I'm gonna explain as straightforward as I possibly can. The ultimate mission is you need to update your audio drivers. I mean, you should have done this anyway, but if you have a ROG Strix motherboard, I want you guys to go to this website down below. The link is down below. Hit motherboards over here, hit ROG, and find your motherboard. Okay, mine's the ROG Strix B450F, and then from here I want you to hit driver and utility, and on this page just select your OS. I've got Windows 10 64-bit, and now you get a bunch of drivers. Okay, I need you to download this, and you need just run it, install it, and you will have this little program called the Realtek Audio Console. Now, if you're not already familiar with this Realtek used to have a HD audio manager back in the day, which basically does the exact same thing. This is basically just a reskin. Okay, so guys, once you're in the audio console, over here you can see it shows your impedance. It shows you can actually change the amplification level. I'm pretty sure it's all based on your motherboard, okay? But you can change this. And not only that, we have sound effects. So we have everything, or basically the enhancements are just placed here in a nice way as well. So in here you have an EQ and you have the environment. What we're going to be looking at here is this environment setting, this enhancement. You can change the environment, not only of everything you hear on your computer, but if you are in game and you're playing a car game, you're playing Need for Speed, you're just driving through the city, set your environment to any of these options, and you'll know what I'm talking about. It's basically, it simulates a reverb, an echo. It simulates the environment that you choose. Now, I'm going to show you some before and afters. I'm going to show you how the different environments make the game sound really, really fucking good. So guys, if you don't have a ROG Strix motherboard and you don't have this program, then find the audio driver for your motherboard. Most likely it will be Realtek. And it doesn't have to be this program, but there is another way to go about this. If you go into your sound settings in here, go down to the OG sound control panel, okay? Not the one that we're used to, okay? Find your speaker. I'm just showing this as an example. This speaker doesn't have the enhancements, but I'll show you anyway. You hit right click, properties, and in enhancements, you have bass boost, you have all this stuff, okay? In here, you should have environment and equalizer. And it can be specific to your to the audio device as well. So like this one doesn't have any, but it does over here. So this is just complete preference. You could play around with it, mess around with it, but if in all honesty, you can ignore the EQ entirely. Just if you want a punchy environment, if you want something that makes your sound a little bit more stronger, go for generic. But if you want something that sounds really good, the parking lot. If you want something a bit more juicy, go for the alley. Now, as you can see from those examples, you can see the difference in the sound. Like it's a difference between day and night. So, like I said, guys, these settings this environment enhancement setting changed. Like if I play a game, this is in the back of my mind. I know I can always amplify the good parts of the sound through this setting. If you're trying to record these sounds, it won't work because this is a post process. This happens on your headphones. It doesn't happen on the system. So if you record it, you have to record it from the speaker itself, not from the system. The system audio will not pick up the environment change. If you like VHS style edits, if you like retro, old school, synthwave style edits, then I'll be dropping some videos very soon. But otherwise, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned.